this is your motion, Ms. Soto. I read it. Is there anything you want to add to it before I hear from Mr. Soto?
Yes, I just wanted to make it clear that my main priority is, breaking the cycle of abuse in our family and to prioritize the children and their stability. I prioritized and committed to co-parenting with Jesse. And from what I've seen and what's been shown through my children, I'm just, I have to go through with this to keep them stabilized. And that's my main goal.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
The question that I have is, one of the things kind of disturbed me in here, and I just want to get your thoughts. How old are your children?
So my oldest, Nivea, just turned 17.
Okay.
And then Naomi is 15 and Nicholas is 11.
Okay. I just want everybody to understand that at some point, if I have to talk to the kids, I will. But I generally don't leave those issues up to the kids.
Okay.
Just like you wouldn't do if one of your kids says, I'm not going to the doctor, I don't want to. You would do everything in your power to get them there. And that's what I do for kids that don't want to cooperate with parenting time. What do you think, Mr. Soto? What's going on here?
Your Honor, I don't know what's going on. I didn't get no paperwork or nothing. I just got a text on Wednesday reminding me that I had a court date, and I called my lawyer yesterday, and she notified me I did have a court date with you. So I don't really know what's. I didn't get no paperwork or nothing, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
So I'm kind of confused what's even going on.
Well, let me see if I can straighten it out for you.
Thank you.
It involves a motion with about your kids, and it's not particularly long, but Ms. Reyes violated the first rule in my courtroom by attaching a bunch of text messages, which I hope I never see again. Write that down, Ms. Reyes. I don't want any more text messages. If they're important, then you got to type them out because I can't read them hardly. It's hard to follow them. But it says here that on July 17, Ms. Reyes sent a copy of this motion.
Ms. Soto?
Or I'm sorry, Ms. Soto sent a copy of this to, oh, it's number 20. That's why I was confused. Sent a copy of this. What the actual date is July 21. So she sent a copy of this to you, at least she says, at the I can't even make out the address. Alpine?
Yeah, I do live on Alpine.
1544?
1532 Alpine.
Oh, you had the wrong address, Miss Reyes. Or Miss Soto, I'm sorry. So you never got this because the address was wrong. Right?
Yes, sir. I never received it.
Okay. All right. Did you write down his correct address, Ms. Soto?
So
I can't hear you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I believe I did. I know his address, and I've also used the GPS to confirm.
Well, you've got it on here, 1544, and he doesn't live there.
That's the last address that I had on my GPS, so I'm not sure what happened. Maybe, I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, I always want to make sure everybody is has got all the information I do.
Absolutely. And I've contacted Mr. Soto many times asking for us to work this out between each other. But due to his tactics, I felt that this was the best way to get the courts involved.
When did you ask me?
I don't, hang on. This isn't back and forth.
Sorry, sir.
I don't, I appreciate that. Because the last group of people you should be wanting to jump into your lives are the court, because nobody, I will guarantee you this, if you both ask me to make the decision, neither one of you are going to be happy. It's just the way it works out. But what I'm going to do is this. I want Jesse to have what I have and what you have, Ms. Soto. So I want you to renotice or reschedule this and send it to where, Jesse?
It's 1532 Alpine Northwest.
Okay.
49504 Grand Rapids.
All right, you got that all?
1532 Alpine Northwest, GR, Michigan.
You got it.
Okay.
I'll send that. I'm going to postpone this so you won't have to pay another fee, which is good. So you renotice it, send it to his correct address, and then he'll have everything we have, and then we can get down to business and figure this out. Okay?
Absolutely.
Is there any way that
see you both? You all set?
Thank you.
I was just going to ask if there's any way that she could just talk to me and we could try to work this out.
Of course. But but I can't force that. I prefer people talk and work things out. But if they don't, there's not a whole lot I can do. What you two ought to think is maybe find a mediator to help you. They're in the phone book. Maybe they can help you. So, but I think it's a good idea. Agreements made between the parties last longer, but I'll leave that up to your wisdom. Okay. Have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
You too.
Bye.